Welcome to our lesson about the parts of a boat in Te Reo Māori. The term for boat is poti in Te Reo Māori. First, let's start with the hull. The hull is the main body of the boat and is known as the takere in Te Reo Māori. This term is borrowed from our waka or traditional canoes. The sides are called rauawa. Port is the left side and is tauranga. Starboard is the right side and is kātea. Bow is the front and is the tauihu. Stern is the back of the boat and is the kei. Up the front we have the punga or the anchor. If we look around the back, that's called the kei of the boat, and attached to that is the mortar or outboard motor. The term for yacht is iata. On iata or yachts, the sails are the fabric that catches the wind and helps to propel the boat forward. The sail is known as the rā. Finally, the oars are used to row some boats. The oars are known as the hoi in Te Reo Māori. In the cabin, we have matapihi or windows and a tuanui or roof. And the urungi, which is the steering wheel. That's it for our lesson about the parts of a boat in Te Reo Māori. We hope you enjoyed it.